Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can create a backup file of your account or inside your account in the Raindrop app. So let us guide you through this. So navigate to the desktop or web version of the Raindrop app. I'm going to go here via Google Chrome and make sure that you're logged in. Then click into username in the top left and click into settings. After that, navigate to backups on the left hand side and you will see, as you can see, I created a backup just half an hour ago, and once you have created a backup, you will be given the opportunity to download it either as an HTML or CSV file format. And if you want to save your account data, for example, you can do this anytime by clicking into Create New here. And it may take, for example, as you can see, a few minutes to prepare that backup. And you can come back later and you will see a notification like this so that you can download the backup onto your device in the given file format. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.